Alright, one day in California is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Had the most insane time out in California. What a trip. And right now I'm in Abu Dhabi. Actually, technically I'm in Dubai. How crazy are these buildings? We're busy working on the one day in Abu Dhabi video. That'll be out in a couple weeks time. So keep an eye out for that. But a big shout out to Boosted Boards for sponsoring this week's video. They hooked it up, helped make the one day in Cali edit happen. And I've been using their Boosted Mini S for the last couple of trips now, and just having a smaller version of my boosted board to travel with, something that's a bit more portable, has been super convenient. And they've actually given me an extra one to give away to one of you guys. So if you'd like to win this board, all you gotta do is follow myself on Instagram and Boosted Boards, and just leave a comment down below telling us why you need this board. Hopefully you'll ride a little bit better than me and not run into little kids. But yeah, do those 3 things, and one of you guys will have one of these boards in your hands very soon. They're a lot of fun. Anyway, that's enough talking. I'll see you guys next week.